Hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I am back with another follow-along stretching routine and tutorial video. Today I'm going to be teaching how to do a back bend, or as some other people call it, falling into a bridge. Just to make sure everyone's clear on what we are learning, I'm going to demonstrate it. So yeah, it's just that, and not the standing up part. I can make another tutorial on that if you guys want, but that's not what we're doing today. So first I want to start by warming up, and I like to start by doing that, by just going to the side. And yeah, I'm gonna make this lower because I wanted the camera angle to be a bit higher when I was gonna stand up, but now I'm on the ground. And just 20 kicks like this. And now for the other side. And now this is a stretch that I know a lot of other people like, but I don't personally like. This isn't a stretch I'd ever really do on my own, but I got this kind of weird comment on one of my videos where someone was asking me to do a tutorial where I included the CatCow stretch, and I just like doing things that make people happy, so I'm going to do 10 of those just because some random person wanted me to. I know this is like a stretch a lot of people like, but it's not what I personally like. Okay, and now for a stretch kind of specific to a back bend. This isn't really a stretch, but I would include it in a back bend tutorial because it's kind of useful. So basically, one thing I like to do is just go up on my knees like this, and then just bend down and come up. You can try and grab your legs or go back as far as you want. It's not like it's really important to be able to go back down all the way. It's just that it's something to do to get comfortable with falling into a bridge or doing the back bend, because one thing that does hold a lot of people back is that they're just scared to go down into the back bend. But I wouldn't really say this is something that's important in increasing flexibility, or you need to be worried about like getting your hands close to your feet or something. Just something to warm you up and get you less scared of the idea of doing a back bend. So I'll do 10 of these. Okay, that was 10 of those. And then, one thing you should try to do before you start doing a backbend is just make sure you can do just a regular bridge where you start on the ground like this and then push up. You don't need to be able to straighten your legs or arch back, but you do just need to be able to get into a bridge to do a backbend. And then what I feel the first step to doing a backbend is I don't really know exactly what this is called, but it's just another slightly harder way to get into a bridge where, you know, I'm gonna make it so you can see my hands. Where you'll just kind of start with your hand like this, and then you'll take one of your hands and then just go like that. And just practice doing that because it's just another way to get into the bridge where you don't start with like both your hands on the ground. So yeah, and then another step to doing the backbend would be to just stand up and walk your hands down a wall. I don't have any of the best walls for this with me right now because like this is just the closet door and then this one's really thin, but I will just try to demonstrate. Okay, so yeah, that's something else you can work on and just do that as many times as you like. And those are the main steps to doing a backbend. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.